said car with. I said you.
Niggas trying to bully over here.
Oh, he's on you. The 440. 340. The one on E? The 340 on E? Which one? Over there? The gray one? Nah, not no roll. When he full boat time, I might dig him. I ain't rolling shit. Oh, he don't do digs. Like he walked off on and said dig. I ain't going for no roll.
It's the one right back here.
You too? Okay.
I mean, I can go get my tires and we do a dig.
We can do a roll, a dig right here. Hard tire. Keep the hard tire. You scared of a stage 2? I mean a stage 1 tune? Okay. So do a dig with a hard tire. He gonna get that shit slapped.
Babe, you know what you say every time you come out here?
What?
And every time you say it, you never go with it?
What?
I ain't racing, I'm just coming out here for content.
That what it is. I know they gonna all talk shit because you know how much money I could be making right now. Hey gang, I'm gonna let y'all know the truth. I got some real ops up here. Like, I got all the B58s down here want to race me, and it's they whole crew up here. So it's gonna be a lot of shit talking to them. They gonna be mad as fuck. They gonna want me to race. I'm only racing the car that sit like me. If they don't sit like me, I'm not racing it. I ain't racing the upgraded turbos versus my stock turbos. Like, what the fuck? My stage 1 tune ain't going. That's how a Beamer supposed to sound. Oh God, I love Beamers that sound like that. Babo dead. Oh my God. I would race him. I swear to God I would. I want to go on the other side. Come the fuck on, bro. Why would he do that shit, bro? Why the fuck? What y'all think? Y'all think I should try him up? This a stick shift 5-0. Oh, I'll smack that bitch going up the road.
She talking about something. That's always on her timeline. It's hard.
Prep really do make the spin a lot worse. If it's not heated up and you don't got no slick on, no drag, no radial, you're gonna be fucked up. You better be in the middle. You better be on that street, not the prep.
Oh, that shit run the fuck out of both of my ears.
Yeah. It was. There you go. He keep it hot. Alright, they fuck with it. They keep it about the prep. They smart. Who you think I should run out here?
Any of these 340s that been calling you out.
What about you?
My car not ready.
Your car not ready. You just called me out the other day.
Yeah, you didn't want to do my race.
So you want to give me a dig?
Oh my God. why you want to race me?
Nah,
There's like three
nah,
other
you
cars that
called
wanna
me
race
out. Remember, so I was just saying.
Hello?
You got the time right here.
Hello?
I want to dig. Oh man, that's crazy. I thought I was finna. Huh?
I got a blue 440 and do a dick with you.
I wanted 335.
I don't know, 335 that's out there.
Bro, I'm a stage 1 tune. You way faster. You should be able to catch me up.
Not in no 8.
Oh my god.
Not in no 8.
Alright, man.
Will.
I didn't call Will, I said you.
Niggas trying to bully over here.
Oh, he's scared of the
I don't do
135.
this.
Oh my god.
I don't do this.
I'm a dead car.
He an all-wheel drive car too.
I give you.
We got the front axle. He give you half a car off the line.
We can pull out the front axle.
When I sit like him, I race him.
Oh my god.
I mean, it makes sense.
There's a white stock one out there.
Bro.
There's a white stock one out there.
Yeah, it's a white one out there.
Real drive. Yeah. Dre. Oh, real shit. Dre shit is stock.
I just got that.
All that had me a race, man. Got on this one, I ain't gonna lie. Oh God, they tried to get me to race. We get bumped in second. Oh my! Damn! Oh my God! Oh shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! He just walked that boy down. He just walked that boy the fuck down. Oh shit!
When you ready, hey, who y'all like?
Hey, what you say about the Asians? What y'all boys? Daddy's got his shit slapped. Slapped. They said left lane was gonna win, but he got slapped on guide. Did he just hit you? Oh, he just hit that? Oh. I just caught it on camera.
Again.
What lane you want?
That one was.
Left lane?
Yeah.
Left lane.
This for bumping. Same me?
Still.
Alright,
1 second.
You bumping second?
Yep.
Alright, so what's y'all steps? Let me hear y'all steps from now, because I don't want to hear nobody crying at the steps. Burn down time.
Yeah.
Y'all
Requirement. Rules and regulations. Let's put a rule.
Alright, so 3 second burn down, 5 second burn down.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. So you get bumped in seconds. So as soon as I run over to you, your time starts. You can't burn it down.
So we got my tuner. This is my tuner car. He about to run it with another car over there. This shit finna be crazy.
Who the fuck gave you signals, bro? Madison, hold this. Changed my mind.
Yep. It ain't like the goddamn jar house.
Just running. Alright, that's everything? Alright, so 3 second burn down. You can't burn it. Once I point at you, you get 3 seconds start. So you got 3 seconds to flash it. Alright.
Give me like 10 minutes. Oh my God. Oh, shit. That was his car, oh, God. Oh, hey. My tuner valid, that boy valid. My tuner valid as fuck. He not losing, I swear. I can't see my tuner losing. It don't make no fucking sense why he get on his own computer. He get on his own fucking computer and tune, bro. He not losing, bro. I was saying, let's get this 60, baby. Smokes. I told him to get that boy out the prep. I told him to get him out the prep, boy. Fuck. Over with. Look at my money I went in the pot. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I got a reason why my tuner lost, man. He had all his seats and he wouldn't get it. Had shit in his trunk and he was in cold prep. That's bad. That's all bad. Like, comment, subscribe though. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and we out. 40 roll.
40.
On you. Good run.